Meet and greet. Individual teachers will instruct you on how to arrive and enter their classroom. If a teacher allows you to enter before 7:35 a.m., students should mingle in small groups, 2 to 3 people, read, work on homework, teacher-assigned jobs, or bell work. Teachers will often greet you when you arrive to see how you are doing. Here are some response options. Wave hello. Nod. Say good morning. Teachers are here to make sure that you are doing okay. If you are not okay, reach out to an adult you trust and they will make sure and take care of you. The official start to the school day begins with a bell at 7:35 a.m., followed by the Pledge of Allegiance and daily announcements. Students should be quietly seated in their classrooms during announcements. Voices should be off when the announcements are on. Once announcements and the pledge have concluded, classroom work will begin.